Welcome to my channel.
Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra tipped to have same display, camera module design as Galaxy S22 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is expected to launch next year, along with the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus. Rumors so far have suggested that the new phones should be receiving minor cosmetic updates. However, a latest tip suggests that the Galaxy S23 Ultra in particular won't be getting the rumored design updates for its display and camera module, and will in fact look very similar to the current Galaxy S22 Ultra. The upcoming phone will continue to sport a narrow forehead and wide chin, while the cutouts for the laser autofocus sensor and one of the telephoto cameras will have a slightly raised module and won't sit flush with the frame, as previously rumored. Prolific tipster Ice Universe, at Universe Ice, tweeted that he has received some new information that points to the fact that the previously leaked CAD renders of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra are not entirely accurate. The renders showed the Galaxy S23 Ultra having a symmetrically thick upper and lower display bezel, which is not expected to be true. The image also showed 2 of the 5 cutouts on the back of the phone to sit flush with the body, without any protrusion. This too is most likely not true, as according to the tipster, these cutouts will also have a slight bulge like the rest of the camera modules. Some fans of the brand would probably be disappointed by this, if it does indeed turn out to be true. However, we can't say we're surprised. We've seen Apple reuse the same design for its iPhones for a couple of years now, with just minor tweaks being added with every new generation. The current Galaxy S22 Ultra is arguably Samsung's most refined design yet for a flagship, so we're not surprised that it might not tinker around with it too much. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S23 series early next year. As per recent leaks, the upcoming models could be powered by the Exynos 2300 SoC or the next flagship SoC from Qualcomm, depending on the region where it's sold.